welcome to Golden Apples Aviation. My name is Captain Tomar Awdhesh, and today we are starting a fresh A320 Prep Series. For the purpose of this series, I will be using one of the reference questionnaires. I'm sure you all have it, and the questions within this series will be multiple choice types. So let's start it. The first question is, for air conditioning purpose, the cabin is divided into how many zones? For that, we'll just go to ECAM control panel, and there are ECAM pages. I'll go to conditioning page. On a conditioning page, you can see the aircraft is divided into 3 zones: cockpit, forward cabin, and aft cabin. So the answer to this question is aircraft is divided into 3 zones. Next, there are 2 packs. However, both are required for the dispatch of the aircraft. Is it true or false? So first of all, packs are called Pneumatic Air Conditioning Kit. If you can see here, this is pack 1 and you have pack 2. Here you can see this is pack 1, this is pack 2. The pneumatic air conditioning kit basically provides air conditioning to the aircraft. So if you know, for air conditioning purpose, in Airbus we use the bleed air from the engine compression. Now that air obviously would be very hot, very high temperature, high pressure, and also there could be a humidity concern with that air. For supplying that air to the cabin, it must be treated, and that treatment is done by the pneumatic air conditioning kit, which are called packs. Now there are 2 packs which we have in A320. For this purpose of this question, obviously by knowledge we can say A320 can be dispatched with 1 pack operator. Just go by the knowledge or memory. Whenever this happens, refer to your minimum equipment list. Find out what are the dispatch criteria, and thereafter you can proceed. For the purpose of theoretical question, yes, answer is aircraft can be dispatched with 1 pack in operator. Next question is the single pack sufficient for pressurization of the aircraft? Of course, yes. Again, if you have in here you have a pack 1 failure or a pack 2 failure, you can continue with pack 1 itself. You refer to your FCOM procedures for pack 1 fault or pack 2 fault as applicable. Next question is the air conditioning system in A320 is fully automatic? Yes. In A320, the air conditioning system is fully automatic, and it is controlled by 2 computers called ACSC, Air Conditioning System Controller 1 and Air Conditioning System Controller 2. Both of them control the air conditioning system fully automatically. And also remember, ACSC is available in a newer aircraft. The older MSN aircraft, which we had, instead of ACSC, they had zone controllers for the same purpose. Going forward, the next question is in the form of find the correct sentence among the following. So there are 4 sentences are given, and they are asking you which is the correct one. Is the air conditioning system fully automatic? We have already explained. Yes, it is fully automatic. It provides continuous air renewal in 3 zones. Is it correct? This sentence is correct or not? Does it provide continuous air renewal in 3 zones? This statement is correct because there is a mixing unit, and in that mixing unit, we have a air circulating fan, and that fan keeps circulating the air from the cabin and get the fresh air for a ventilation purpose. The second option is also correct. Next it says there are 3 zones. Are they in and they are independently independently controlled? Yes, there are 3 zones on all three. All of 3 of them are independently. All the options, choices which are given are correct in this question.